Hello there friends, and welcome to my new video on this channel. And today I will try something new for a change. I will do 5 Rubik's Cube challenges. For this video I have already prepared all the 5 challenges, but I would love for the next videos if you could submit some challenges for me in the comment section down below. But yeah, let's not waste any more time and start with the first challenge, which is going to be for every move I will do a push-up. Let's start. So here I am at the first challenge. Here's the cube, here's the scramble, if someone even cares about scrambling, because this is not a speed solve, but well. So the normal safe-up solve takes around 50 moves, so I will probably have to do 50 push-ups, but oh well, here we go I suppose. Let's see. Let's go. First move. And here we are. I'm done with the cross. Now I will do the F12. Okay, we're done with the first pair. Now we'll do the second one. Okay, we have 2 pairs. Now, let's see. I'm already so tired, oh my god. We are done with the second layer. Now we have one of the hardest oils to do. I actually think that I have made a wrong oil. We are onto PLL. We have a Y perm. I did. And here I will write how many push-ups I did. I'm tired. The next challenge is solving Rubik's Cube one-handed and also juggling with 2 balls in the other hand. Now, if you have seen my shorts and videos before, you know that I'm pretty good at juggling, so I thought, why not, let's do this challenge. Here's the scramble again for the cube, if someone cares about it. Let's go. Hopefully I will not drop the balls, because it's going to be like an epic fail. But I'm doing good, I would say. I'm already almost done with the F12. Okay, onto oil. Pretty easy one, just a fast soon. And I have a G perm. Yeah, we're done. Wow, that was actually much easier than I thought it would be. Yay! Now the next challenge is going to be a pretty hard one. I will be solving pyramids blindfolded. I don't know the techniques, so we'll probably just try to one-look the whole solve, so let's start I suppose. And here's the result. I must admit, it took a while for me to solve pyramids blindfolded. Like, I literally spent almost 15 minutes doing this. But thankfully I got a pretty good success. Here you can see me solving the pyramids. Here's the time that I got, and here you can see also the scramble for this solve. So the next challenge is going to be solving clock with only using one hand. So here I have the clock. I don't think they should be inspecting it all that much, but yeah, I suppose let's start. god, here we go. So far, so good. I would say that. And hopefully we will not have a DNF. Oh my god. The pins are very annoying. Okay, on to the last step. This is actually going to be pretty quick, I would say. And we should be done in just a moment. 33 seconds and it's not a DNF. Let's go. I succeeded the challenge. So on to the last challenge. Sorry, my head is not in the frame, but oh well, this is not the point. I will try to solve cube with only using feet. Yeah, I suppose let's try it. Here's the scramble once again, if anybody cares. And let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, no. It's already so much harder than I thought it would be. So I will try to solve right side probably. Yes, yes. Pretty good, pretty good. And I think we have solved the first side. There we go. The first side is complete. Okay, we got lucky, we got U-perm. At least it's not a Z-perm, so that's something, I suppose. Three moves left. 3 moves, 2 moves, and 1 move left, and this cube is solved. Nope, that's not the way forward. And there we go. I have solved this cube. Wow. So that was the video. I hope that you have enjoyed all of those 5 challenges as much as I did. And I really want to hear from you the feedback and maybe some ideas for my next videos with some new challenges. Yeah, thanks for watching the video and I will see you all in the next one. Tschüss!